Hey guys, this is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play the open chord of B minor 7. B minor 7. So let's get started. So that's the sound of B minor 7. To make this chord, you place finger number 2 up here on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, and then skip a string, place finger number 3 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then place your pinky finger number 4 on the very bottom string of the 2nd fret. So everything is on the 2nd fret. Play all strings but the very top E string. That's B minor 7. You could play this chord in the place of B minor. Some songs will have the B minor chord. If you don't feel comfortable using that chord or playing that chord, you could play the B minor 7. And if you place finger number 1 on the 4th string of the 1st fret, that'll make the B7 chord that I've taught you in previous lessons. So if you can play the B7 chord, you can just keep that same shape and then simply lift off finger number 1, and that's B minor 7. Okay, so to review, finger number 2 is on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, then skip a string and place finger number 3 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then skip a string and then place finger number 4, your pinky finger, on that string number 1, also on the 2nd fret. Play all strings but this top E string. B minor 7. Okay, if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button below. If you're not a current subscriber, be sure and subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel under your subscriptions so I can easily be found, and you'll also be notified when new videos are uploaded. I appreciate all my current subscribers for your support, and I thank everyone for viewing this channel. So have a blessed day. God bless you.